G'day, my name is James Kerr and I'm with Red Roo Sales and Service. And this is the Red Roo SG250 Stump Grinder. I'm here today at Red Hill, Victoria on the Mornington Peninsula. I'm here on the property of Mr. John Walker. John is a former CMS 80 chipper mulcher shredder owner. He's been very happy with his chipper mulcher shredder and he has decided today to purchase this little SG250. Now, John's biggest issue is small little stumps that he has around his property. When he's cutting grass, it aggravates him with his lawnmower, so he's wanting to knock the top off of these heads, and this is the reason that he's purchasing this machine today. This unit has a 13 horsepower Honda engine on it, and it's capable of doing a depth of about 250 millimeter, 10 inches to say 300 millimeter, 12 inches into the ground. If you would like any more information on the SG250, please visit our website at redroo.com.